Welcome back to Knitting 101, where I teach you how to knit. My name is Suzanne, and today I'm going to show you how to cast off. You've now finished your project or finished your gauge swatch and you're ready to cast off. So all you're going to do is you're going to set up like normal as you're going to knit, and you're going to knit the first 2 stitches before we start casting off. So you're going to knit 1, and then you're going to knit the second one, and now that you've knitted the second one, you're going to cast off. And we always start with the first stitch on the right needle. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your left needle into the right stitch and you're going to pull it over the second stitch on that needle. You have now cast off your first stitch. Congratulations. So we're going to keep knitting because you always need 2 stitches on your right needle to cast off. You're going to go in and pull the first stitch over the second stitch. So we're going to keep going and we're going to knit all the way through to the end the same. So you're going to knit 1 and pull the second one over. You're going to knit 1 and then you're going to pull the second stitch over. And there you can see our stitches that we've cast off so far. They're looking very pretty. And if your stitches don't look like that, don't worry, it comes with practice. So just keep practicing and we're going to keep casting off. So you're going to knit, and so you always have 2 stitches on your right needle, and then you're going to pull this the first stitch over the second stitch like so and drop it down. You're going to keep going until you have 1 stitch left on your left needle. I'll speed the clip up, so I'll show you what to do when you only have 1 stitch left. You now only have 1 stitch left on your left needle, so you're going to knit that one like normal, and then you're going to take the first stitch on the right needle and pull it across like normal. But now you're going to start pulling at your last stitch. So you're going to pull the loop and make it bigger. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut the tail end. Hopefully you have sharp scissors than I do. And then we're going to pull the tail end through. Congratulations, you have now learned how to cast off your knitting. If you liked these 101 knitting videos, please follow and subscribe for more videos like this where I teach you how to knit and tips and tricks on how to make your knitting easier.